Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. A slow-moving avalanche moved through a parking lot in Russia. Nobody got hurt, but many of the cars were damaged from the weight of the snow. This child jumped on a luggage conveyor belt at an airport and went for the ride of his life. This cat was chasing this mouse when it totally lost track of it. Here's how much money each country has spent on their military throughout the years. You can really see the impact that World War II had on military spending. This is what it's like to go swimming with mobile arrays. Thanks for this video. Hopefully I made your day just a little better, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.